Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting with the Euro USD as usual, and we are still stuck in this range. We do have a crossover of the oscillators, so I'm anticipating a break eventually here of 102.535, and your target is going to be this area here at 103.632. So if we drop down to the hour, which is what we want to trade intraday, nothing really going on. You can see above and below the moving averages. So yesterday was a big down, big up. So we need to clear that area before I'm interested in trading this pair. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. I was waiting for a retest of this gap here, or close of the gap, and that never happened. And we've been one-way traffic to the downside. So this is an indication of dollar weakness coming in. So that's why we're looking at Euro USD for a break to the upside. At the moment, if you get down to the hour, it looks like we have a confirmation. I suppose that probably was a confirmation there on Wednesday. So that was our confirmation that we needed to be looking for the shorts and staying in the shorts at the moment. You don't want to be short down here. You're looking for a retest of some form of structure. Now, our problem at the moment is there's been a pretty big move this morning to the downside. So what's that? 1,000 points, almost 0.8% of a move. This is the closest that I'd be looking at, 134.204. I'd need to see price come back into this area before looking for an opportunity to short. And I just want to go to the left to see. Yeah, no, that's definitely the area we need to pay attention to. So until that happens, I'm sit on hands, not looking to be short down here, especially not with the oscillators like they are. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen, very interesting. We had a retest of the top of the triangle. We bounced off it, and then we have had a break and what looked like a retest this morning. It could turn out to be a range, so don't get too excited just yet. So if you draw a line along the top and the bottom, that would be your range. But if you look at this on the hour, you're going to see pretty clear break, pretty clear 1 hour retest of the triangle, and also it lines up, or kind of lines up with that area. Not exact. So same scenario here. What I'm looking for is a pullback onto structure, and I just want to add one more level in. I'll give them to you now. So the first one is a swing low of yesterday. That's 162.875. I want to see a retest of that. Second opportunity is 163.016. So this 163 area is an area to watch. If we clear that, then you're looking to come back up into this area at 163.495 or 163.500 area. That's kind of what we're looking for. So we're looking for a retest of a breakout. I just want to finish off on the weekly, and you can see the sellers are definitely coming in on the top on the weekly. So this weekly trend that we've had could be a strong possibility of a retest down here at 158.055. Moving on to Euro British pound, and let's get to the 8 hour. Nothing really on the 8 hour. We've got a bit of a pin bar. We got a bit of a retest of the structure I was looking at yesterday, but now we've got a pin bar, and we could argue that that pin bar is on the structure. If you look to the left, you can see lots of interaction here. A bit messy, but anyway, so that's 0.83608. I would say if we break above the pin bar, then you're looking for a move higher. I wouldn't say a reversal, but sort of a pullback, and then you'd be looking for the first bit of structure. So just keep that in the back of your mind. And we come to the hour. You can see yesterday we did get the retest here, as we indicated, at 0.84049. So we got the retest there, and then we sort of broke to the downside. So this is the area to pay attention to, right where we are now. That's 0.83808. So if we can reject that area this morning, when the oscillators are sort of grouping to the upside, then I would expect a continuation to the downside. And for your levels, you just need to go to the left and pick up the areas, and then you'll see where your target areas are. So I would argue 0.83294 would be the level to pay attention to. Just going to finish off on the 15-minute here. As you can see yesterday, rejection here and then all the way up the top, but you need to refine your levels when you're on a lower time frame. So this level here was 0.84049 was the level on the higher time frames. If you just bring it down, in other words, you would have had that swing low, this swing low, and that swing low as your areas, and then you can see there's your inside bar off the structure. Entry just below that, stop just above it, and that would have given you the move. So it's a similar scenario. We've got a pin bar here, but I would prefer to be trading on the European session, not the Asian session. Asian session volumes are just way too light. So this is the area to pay attention to. Reject this area, you're looking for a continuation down. And if we get above that, then I would be waiting, because there's another area. Sorry, let me just do this. There's another area just there. We did test it yesterday, but that could be another area. So that's 0.83897. And then obviously we have this 0.84034 area again as well. But I think pay attention to this on the 15-minute. See the 15-minute structure on this area, stop above the structure, entry below the structure, and you're looking for a continuation down, at least to test one of these areas. And take your profit, because it's a weekly bar, and candlesticks very, how to put this, the probability of a candlestick having a tail is higher than the probability of a candlestick closing on its low or high. So especially at the end of the week, you see a big move and then you're out, and then enjoy the weekend while it bounces around. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.